What's up, guys? I wanted to wish you guys a happy holidays. I hope everybody had a good time. Sorry for the delay on uploading videos. Been a little bit caught up trying to get the Mega Squirt done. I was going to do a video on that, but we'll just kind of go over it once it's done, because I'm a little wonky with wiring and I like to take my time and I overthink a lot. So I didn't want to put you guys through that. But instead, today, I'm going to show you how to install a power commander on the vrod. As well as happy holidays. I want to thank you guys for 56 subscribers. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot to me that 56 of you decided that you wanted to partake in my life and see the journey and we can go together. So help me continue to grow and keep subscribing or keep watching. I really appreciate it. To start, we go down here. You're gonna have to remove this whole crap right here. These two right here to get back to the PCM. And then we'll go from there. Once you have those two screws off, get this guy and kind of lift it up above it. Yoop. Make sure to get that washer out so you don't lose it. I don't know if it's the same. This bike's obviously been into before. But you get it past this. Be careful because your seat is connected to it. It's on a hinge, but then you'll pull this guy forward to get it out of its little slot. And there you go. You're in there. So the easiest way is to show you. You're just disconnecting the PCM right here. You'll plug one half of the power commander in there. And I already had the power commander installed. I just didn't realize I had that one tuner installed, so they were kind of fucking with each other. So you unplug it, we'll run it, and then we'll show you how it looks like when it's ran.
Oh, look at it.
The piece of resistance for the more power, baby.
More power, baby.
More power, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try and do this one-handed since I'm holding the camera this time. Boop. You undo this tab. I'm gonna have to force this on here because my fucking seal is fucked. Boop. See? Little tender love and care. So I had mine mounted here. We'll just kind of, you know, put this back where it was. Yeah. And then this was the weird part because you can't really tuck this anywhere. They give you a place to tuck it, but I always put it in the wrong spot and I don't have the directions anymore. Either way, at the beginning, this is probably how I had it ran. It's been so long I don't remember, but there's the basics of the install. You'll have directions with you, so you'll be able to see it better than, I guess, what I'm showing you. But you put your little fuse box down there, have this down here, you probably strap it down, get this shit out of the way. I'm not going to strap it down. But there you have it. It's installed, it's under this little guy, good to go for now. So take your little seat, see your little alignment tab right there, slip it under this guy, and then you'll have this little opening right here, slide it into, if I can get it in there. They don't give you very much room on the V-rods because they were meant to be a very tight bike from the factory. Everything's very fucked in there. That's about the easiest way to put it. So you install your little guy again. So that is not the ending for you guys. So even though your Velcro is installed, you're gonna have to lift it back up. See, and then you'll pop this little guy open. You have your little USB adapter right there so you can hook into your computer. Mine already has the tune uploaded, so I won't show you that today, but maybe another day. Gonna tuck that guy back in there. Tuck him down, boom, boom, boom. Close the seat. Give it a lick. And you are installed. Make sure your bike turns on. I would start it for you guys, but it is dark and I don't want to make my neighbors mad. So we'll go from there for now. But that's how you, essentially that is how you install a power commander other than the uploading process of the tune. They do give you some base maps to get close to what you need. It's always recommended to go to an actual tuner, get it on the dyno, have them do some runs, yada yada yada, just to make sure it is done properly. Before you go to a tuner, you'll need to know about the vrod, especially if you take it to a Harley dealership, is that these bikes are a lot harder to tune than a normal Harley. So they're definitely a little bit more in depth. With that, you will have to pay more, which is a given. So just to brace yourself for impact before they go tell you it's going to be 7-8 hours to get the thing tuned. It's about the easiest way to put it. It's about how long it takes to do them. So if you have any mods that you want to do beforehand, be sure to do that. That way you're saving yourself money in the long run. I hope you guys learned something today and come back and see me again. I appreciate the viewing, and y'all have a good one.